going on, guys? My name is Isaac. I'm a barber at East to West Cuts in Oceanside. Today we're here with our friends from EZ Blade. So what we're doing here is going to be a full facial shave. I'm applying some of this gel to the face to moisturize. Then we're going to apply a hot towel, and we'll reapply some of the shaving gel to get this going. So now we're going to be applying a hot towel to our client. You're going to wait about 20 to 30 seconds. And while we're doing that, we're going to set this razor up. Cool, so now we're going to reapply some of the EZ Blade shaving gel. We want to make sure we get it in as deep as we can by rubbing evenly on both sides of the face. So we're going to start on this right side. So what we're doing here is we're keeping the skin stretched out by pulling up. And with EZ Blade, it's very easy to get a full shave. This lather is fantastic. So as you can see, it's very simple when you have good product here. We're just simply going to pull the skin up and let the blade do all the work. Turn this one, pull it down. Same thing for this, we're simply just going to tap all the way down, keeping our hand very light and the skin tight. So now that we're about halfway into the shave, put it right down. I'm gonna go back to the mustache. I'm gonna add a little more of this lather. So we want to make sure that the skin is very well moisturized. And put it right down there. So same thing as the other side, we're just going to apply more lather. We want to make sure, like I said, we get it down to the skin. It makes it a lot easier when you're gliding your blade through. We'll repeat the steps on this side. And like I said, you want to keep your hand very light and let the blade and the gel do all the work. Save that this one. And then pour it down. And right around this area, I'm going to keep my hand very, very light. So I can feel here the hair is getting very dense. So I'm simply going to apply more of the shaving solution. Stretch the skin. And go right across his chin. And from here, we're just going to work our way straight down. Just one time. Put it down. Cool, so thanks Easy Blade for letting me try this awesome new shave gel. Made this full shave very easy. As long as I kept the skin stretched and had my hand very light, the product did most of the work. Thanks again, guys. Check me out on Instagram. My name is @TheRealLuna. I'm at East to West Cuts in Oceanside, California. Thanks, Easy Blade.